It's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today to share my October 2024 block of the month pattern. We're getting really close to the end. I can hardly believe it. There's only 2 blocks left. But I've got some fun things to share with you for the October block, including a couple of different variations that I did. I did my blocks just a tiny bit different, and I'll show you what I did, and you can see the difference before you start sewing and decide how you want to put yours together. I've also got, in case you missed the video last month, I've also got the fabrics to share with you that I'm using for my November and December blocks. And so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, I'm excited today to share the October blocks. And just before I get started, I know I did share this last month, but I just want to kind of reiterate because I know a lot of you want to get ahead. You want to use this quilt for a gift for Christmas. So next month for November, the large star points will be with this green print from Strawberry Lemonade if you're using this collection, and the small star prints, the outer ones, will also be from the same print. And then just looking ahead to December, because I know I'm going to get a few questions, large blocks will be this print in the citrine, and the small star points for the outer part will be this, the pink with the flowers and the stems. Okay, just to, because I know so many of you are trying to get ahead. Okay, let's go ahead and look at the large block first. And super cute. This large block, I am going to show you a couple differences between the large and the small because I wanted to just kind of show a couple of different options. This one is how your pattern is written. So you actually use the same fabrics in these places to kind of create those 4 star points going out. And then half square triangles for the outer 4 corners. These are flying geese. And then this one, I used the mini simple folded corners ruler. So really a fun design. Again, tried to press those seams open on the back, so as much as possible to keep things nice and flat. Really simple and fun block. Now, just want to show you what I mean and what I did a little bit differently for the small block. You'll notice that these 3 are the same, but for the small block, I actually changed it up and I used the same fabric that I used in the outer stars, and that gave it kind of a different look. I feel like this gives those bold 4 sections going out, but this is, you more see the 8-point star here, and then this little accent. And this is actually kind of what I suggested last month if you didn't want to work with a teeny tiny pinwheel in the center, just doing something like this. But last month, these would be just solid squares, so they wouldn't be identical if you change that up. But anyway, just wanted to show you, you have a couple options, and you could also do these I mean, we're getting down to the end now. If your fabrics are running low, it would be super cute to do a scrappy star in the middle on either one of these. Lots of options to use up your fabrics that are already in smaller pieces. And again, once again, I did press those seams open as much as possible. I've got all the half square triangles pressed open here. The only units that aren't pieced open are the flying geese units. So anyway, just another fun block. I will tell you the final 2 blocks for our sew along for this quilt do not have inner stars. They have units that take up the entire center. So that's just a little look ahead at what is coming. And again, we have 2 blocks left. We're almost there. Okay, so that's it for our October blocks for the 2024 block of the month. We will have the pattern available for you to download free on my blog today. There is a link in the description below. And also, I seem to get emails pretty regularly from people that are just finding out about this. You can still go back and download all of the patterns from earlier this year. About this time of year, I start trying to remind people to do that. They do stay free on my website for the entire year of 2024. So you can go back and grab anything that you've missed, or if you're just finding out about it, you can go get those patterns. But at the end of the year, they won't be available anymore when I begin the 2025 free block of the month. So already working on 2025 block of the month, really excited about that, but just really want to remind you to go get all of the patterns that you need from this year while they are still available for free. And there is an archive page for block of the month, so we'll put a link to that archive page in the description below as well, so you can go back and pull. It's really easy. When you go to the archive page, it will show you the posts by month, and you can just click on each month and download that pattern if you still need it. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Hit the like button. And thanks so much for stopping by.